YellowFox, an application that abbreviates and simplifies the terms and conditions users agree to when downloading any app or when creating an online account on a website, letting them know what information they're giving up when they click agree.
Meet Joe. Joe is a 60-year-old retired man who we found shopping at Tempe Marketplace. We asked the simple question, what does he find difficult about downloading apps? And he completely opened up. Like for many, the advanced jargon he was asked to agree to and the terms and conditions almost totally put him off. He went as far as to say he sometimes doesn't download apps because of this. Other words he used when describing the experience were unsure and intimidated. One might say this fear is irrational and only held by people who didn't grow up with smartphones, but all but one of the people we interviewed admitted that they should read or at least know what the apps do with their information. We're YellowFox, and we're developing a huge solution to this ongoing problem.
Now, we will guide you step by step through YellowFox, our solution for Joe's problem. First, when entering the application, it will ask you to type in the name of the application or website URL that you want us to abbreviate their terms and conditions. Once you write it down, click Continue. Now, we will show you what are the key points in the terms and conditions of this application you just typed. If you're interested in going to the exact paragraph where one of these terms is said, you can click the checkbox and continue. Here is an example of when one of the checkboxes is clicked. It directs you to the specific paragraph, or it says that, and YellowFox even highlights for you the important stuff. In this example for this app, Twitter, it says we highlighted the important stuff about how Twitter is using your location. It has your current precise position, the places where you previously used Twitter. They also collect your IP address, your browser type, your operating system, the pages you've visited, your location, your mobile career, device information, including device and application IDs, search terms, and cookies information. After this, YellowFox gives the user two options. Either continue with the download of that application, and if the user wants that option, then we will direct him to the Google Play or the App Store. And the other option is show me similar applications. So if the user wants this, we will show him similar applications to the one he was trying to download in the first place.
We currently have only one competitor called Termigrator for our product, and there are two aspects that differentiate us from our competitor, and one aspect we have in common. Both our product and Termigrator simplify important statements from the terms and conditions. However, Termigrator is not able to direct you to a specific paragraph where you found the information, and also it does not highlight crucial sentences in the agreement.
Now, of course, this product is of little use to us without a means of being able to monetize it. We have two main models that work independent of one another. The first model is such that when our app gains enough exposure, companies will pay us based upon the traffic we send to their download page. As previously mentioned, when an app isn't deemed information safe, we will suggest other apps with more or less the same functionality that are. These suggested apps are the ones being referred to. The second business model includes the selling of our API license, or base code basically, to be used in other applications. An example of this would be to simplify personal contracts and some other third-party application that someone else wants to develop.
So part of our business model is our marketing techniques, and this is how Joe heard about us. He was driving one day and he saw this truck saying, "Dear Twitter user, did you know Twitter has your IP address and location? Find more by downloading YellowFox on the App Store or Google Play." So before downloading the app, he looked us up on Google too and saw all the information about us. He decided to download the app and try it out.
For our business model, we ask that you invest $1,000, 150 will be used for the app development, and 850 will be used for advertising our product. Our consumers need to be aware that our product exists, which is why we're investing more in marketing. Most of our marketing will be made through transportation and outdoor signs, such as billboards, street posters, or subway stations.
Our team is composed of Juliet, which is the project manager and the hipster. She makes sure we are all on task and will make the final product look good. Josie, which is the hacker and will program the application. Marcello, which is the hustler as well as me, Yuhao. We both deal with the marketing and business aspects.